Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be making the famous Rihanna crochet dress. So what you're going to need is some yarn, a hook. I use a 6mm J hook, and some scissors. First we're going to create a slip knot. Start wrapping the yarn over your fingers and pulling your hook through. And then we're going to start off with 25 chains. Depending on your size, you can alter your chains as well, but for this size, small to medium, I'm going to be doing 25 chains. The last chain you do, you're going to hold that chain with your fingers and chain 2 more. Then you're going to insert 2 double crochet into the first chain. And you want to do that at the beginning and at the end. So after you do your 2 double crochet into the first chain, you're just going to do 1 double crochet all the way down until you get to the last chain. Here I'm coming up on the last chain. I'm going to insert 2 double crochet into this chain. Now I'm going to chain 2, flip my work, and go back with 2 double crochet at the beginning and 1 double crochet until you get to the last stitch. And that's going to create your halter top shape. You'll notice it as you keep going, but it's going to create your halter shape. Make sure you're definitely doing the 2 double crochet at the beginning and at the end, because if not, you're going to end up with a square instead of increasing and making a halter shape. Now we're at the halter shape. You can do it as long or as short as you like. I chose to do like 11 rows, I believe. Yeah, so after this, now we're going to work on the mesh part of the dress. So we're just going to chain 2, turn our work. We're going to skip the first stitch and go into the second stitch and do a double crochet. Then we're going to chain 1 again and go into the, not the next, but the next one. Because you're always going to skip a stitch. You're going to skip a stitch. That's what make the mesh stitch. You're skipping a stitch and making sure you chain 1 after that. And that's how you create a mesh stitch.